Hello and welcome to part 2 of our maze generator, where we convert it into 3D. Here is our plan. You will see this line of code appear at the bottom of our functions. This is just for you to see. It is not required. Let's start by building the horizontal walls. I will run through this code slowly, as it may look confusing. Essentially, we're skimming across every node on a given axis and seeing if it is part of a wall. It's more complex code, but it means we have less cubes spawned in the world. Let's quickly add our two public variables. Change these as much as you like. Now we can copy and paste this for the vertical walls. We just need to change a few variables. It looks a little messy here. All I am doing is switching the x and z values of the vector 3. Now we can call our functions. Just make sure to add this small detail. It will stop an error if the game object doesn't exist. And that should do it. A hit of the button and our generated maze is converted to 3D. I hope you found this fun or helpful. Maybe in the future we could try with circular mazes. But until next time, take care, and thank you for watching.